So today at Epic Party Team, we're going to show you how to properly set up a simple folding table. So I have here a 60-inch round folding table, but this applies to all of the sizes of our tables here. So first thing you want to do is kind of get it in the general position of where you want it to be. You are going to fold out the legs here. You can see I'm just simply pulling the legs out. Now this is not completely set up. What you have to do also is make sure that you kick the locks here into place. This is very important because if you don't do this, the table could collapse. So once it's properly locked into place, you can just simply tip the table up and move it into position. Now from here, you can just double check to make sure that the legs are fully locked in the full upright position. The legs should be 90 degrees to the tabletop, and you're ready to put on your linen, you're ready to put your chairs around, ready to have a great event. So this is the proper way to set up a folding table for safe operation.